Una good morning my country people. Na African Me Gaskiya dey talk to you for Egbuluka TV this morning. I go continue with the reports from states. Today, another report don come here again from Ward 10 in Ahoda East Local Government area of Rivers State. This report is sent by somebody called Ozo Manaman from Edoke village in Ward 10 of Ahoda East Local Government area. Ozo Manaman said, in Edoke village, there is no pipe-borne water, no electricity, no good access road, no functional healthcare center. The second report here is from Iho community. The person who sent this report, his name is Eyoma. Eyoma said in Iho community there is no electricity, no pipe-borne water. He said people drink water from the stream. No functional healthcare center and no good access road. Another report here is also from the same Ward 10 in Rivers State. The sender of this report, his name is Christian Ume. Christian said in Ehwama community, there is no electricity, no pipe-borne water, no good access road, no functional healthcare center in the whole world, in a complete world. They don't have all these facilities and they have politicians who are representing them. It is shameful. These politicians, I hope you when you have occasion at home, you go home with your visitors. If they love you, they will tell you to develop your land. If they truly love you, they will advise you to develop your land. Because we have a lot of big politicians from Ward 10. And I wonder why Ward 10 is not developed. The fourth report here is from Kogi State, from Igalamela local government. The person writing this report is Enojo from Aya. Enojo said there is no functional healthcare center in Aya, and no pipe-borne water, no electricity. Enojo, I want to please reply to this your mail because somebody wrote from Aya yesterday concerning electricity, and a bona fide child of Aya who is a listener to Egbuluka television has responded to that. In a very short while now, Aya will have electricity. It won't take time at all. Although I wouldn't like to mention his name here because he cautioned against that. But every steps has been put in place to give Aya electricity. Very, very soon. Thank you very much. Please, Nigerians, keep sending reports from your various states to report on the development so that Egbuluka TV will pick it up from there. Thank you very much. What is good for the politicians is also good for the constituents. And it's also good for the voters. Thank you, Nigerians.